There are situations where the house has to sell quickly. We still have to go back to the basics. How important is the money? What's our time frame? Again, I can bring investors in and within 2 days get an offer, a cash offer, a non-contingent offer, as is, leave your stuff, do whatever, and get it closed within 10 days. That, while having your back covered. So those situations definitely exist, and I can help with that. But there are often times when it does make sense to just slow down a little bit. So if you've already settled down and you've made your move, and you don't need the money right away, let's take a little bit of time. If the money's important, let's figure out a way to put more money in your pocket. Whether you need it for your care, you want it for your legacy, if you're going to donate it, whatever it is. Oftentimes, what I hate to see is when somebody goes in, buys the house, in turn flips it and sells it to somebody else without doing anything to it, and there's $5, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 left on the table that could have gone to that family or a cause that family cared for. That's the pain that I'm trying to prevent.